Problem 3. In the figure below, choose point D on BC so that triangles ACD and ABD have equal perimeters. What is the area of triangle ABD? The first thing we have to do is identify point D. Where would point D sit on BC so that it fits this criteria, that these two triangles have equal perimeters? Well, all we have to do is observe that if this triangle is divided in half, this already has 3 and this already has 4. Therefore, if the length of BD is x, then CD, in order to give in the extra 1, would have to equal x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 5, therefore x is equal to 2. So we know exactly where to put D, so that BD is equal to 2. So D would be somewhere here, and BD is equal to 2, CD is equal to 3. Now we're trying to find the area of triangle ABD, which is this triangle over here. As you can see, this is an obtuse triangle, and we already know the lengths of two sides, AB and BD. The formula to find the area of the triangle is area is equal to base times height over 2. We already know its base, right? Here, the more easier way would be to use 2 or 4. And obviously, 4 is on the longest side, it's hypotenuse, so it would make more sense to use BD as the base. So we already know the base. How can we find the height? This is a very common problem in AMC8 when two triangles share the same base or the same height. As you can see, its height could be labeled as this. Let's call the side length h, and it is perpendicular to BD. How can we find h? Well, if you observe h, it is not only the height of triangle ABD, but it is also the height of triangle ABC as a whole. And we already know that on triangle ABC, the corresponding base to height h would be 5. And let's think about it. The area of triangle ABC never changes. We already know the area of triangle ABC is 3 times 4 times 1/2, using its other pair of base and height. We know that this area is the same as if we multiplied 5 to h and to 1/2. Now we can find h. 3 times 4 divided by 2 is 6. 5h times 1/2 is equal to 2.5h. Therefore, h is equal to 60 over 25, or if we simplified it a little bit more, it gives us 12 over 5. So we know that h is equal to 12 over 5. H, also now returning to this triangle over here, triangle ABD, is the height corresponding to its known base, which is 2. So now we can use the formula. 2 times 12 over 5 divided by 2. This gives us 12 over 5, so the final answer of triangle ABD is 12 over 5. Now this is the final answer to our problem. If you solved it in any other way, be sure to put it in the comments down below. We are super interested in what you have to say about any of these problems. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in our next one.